We're gonna make chimichurri. This is a real easy recipe. This is one of the best things you can put on a steak, a hamburger, chicken. Pretty much goes with almost every kind of meat. One of my favorite things to keep around the house. I'm gonna show you what I do, and that is make a large batch of it, and I kind of just use it as a condiment on everything I make. You know, so we're gonna go ahead and make a big batch of this that'll last all week. Red wine vinegar, olive oil, honey, garlic, jalapeno, cilantro, a little bit of salt and pepper. That's it. All right, so we got some cilantro from Aldi here, and it's not too bad with the stems. I'm just gonna cut this section off here. Just don't want too many stems. And I'm gonna do what's called a chiffonade, where you roll it up just like that. And just go through it like that. Spin it sideways. Woo! That's right, okay? It's gonna go everywhere, all right? And then we're just gonna start taking it down, mulching it. That's right. My cockatoo loves when I do this. Make sure when you're doing this, you're getting your knife all the way to the cutting board. Well, I've seen a lot of guys that I've been showing how to do this before in the past in the kitchen. They'll kind of do this and then you end up with an incomplete cut. So you gotta put a little pressure on it. Get it all the way down to the cutting board. So I'm gonna come over here. Slide it into our bowl. Okay, this recipe calls for 2 jalapenos. We're gonna seed and pith these. Okay, we're gonna do a fine mince. Cut these right around 1/8 of an inch. Ready? Now we're just gonna put a mince on. Like so. Those in the bowl. All right. Grind up some coarse sea salt, black pepper, nice and fresh, so it has a really good scent to it. Okay, gonna put a nice heaping helping of that in there. Salt is a big part of chimichurri. Okay, another big part of chimichurri is lots of garlic, so we're going with 2 big tablespoons. I like to do about a teaspoon of honey. About a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And about 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. You can use lemon juice too, or lime juice. I just like red wine vinegar better. I think it goes with more foods that way. Sometimes lemon doesn't really go with everything, you know? All right, just mix it up. Now you gotta taste it. That's perfect. You can eat it right now. I don't suggest that. Just cover it, put it in the fridge for a day, and it'll be ready to go.